Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create 50 short YouTube videos in 24 hours using artificial intelligence. It can be frustrating to spend so much time creating content for YouTube channel, but with the help of AI tools like Lumen 5 and InVideo you can create high quality videos quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, you will need to choose a topic for your videos. It can be anything that interests your and your audience. Once you have your topic, you can start researching and gathering information related to it. Make sure you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and what content you want to create, so you can stay focused and save time. I recommend watching this video until the end, because at the end I will share a life hack that will help you create more than 100 videos daily. Let's get started. To speed up the video creation process, we will be using Lumen 5 and InVideo. Lumen 5 is a video creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to analyze your script and create a video. It can automatically generate visuals and captions for your videos based on the text you provide. InVideo is another powerful video creation platform that uses AI to generate visuals and audio for your script. It has a huge library of ready-made templates and animations that you can use to create stunning videos in minutes. Links to this service with a free trial period will be provided in the video description. I recommend using these services as they will greatly simplify your life. Here is a step-by-step guide for creating 50 short YouTube videos in 24 hours using AI. Step number 1. Choose a topic and prepare video scripts. Step number 2. Open Lumen 5 and create a new project. Enter your script and let AI generate visuals and captions. Step number 3. Edit the video and make any necessary change to the visuals and captions. Step number 4. Export the video and save it on your computer. Step number 5. Repeat steps 2-4 until you create 25 videos. Step number 6. Open InVideo and create a new project. Enter the same scripts you used in Lumen 5 and let AI generate visuals and audio for your video. Step number 7. Edit the video and make any necessary change to the visuals and audio. Step number 8. Export the video and save it on your computer. Step number 9. Repeat steps 6-8 until you create 25 videos. One thing to keep in mind is that the quality of your videos will depend on the quality of your scripts. AI tools can help you create videos quickly, but they can't replace good content. So make sure you provide well thought out short script for your videos. Here are some tips to help you create engaging and entertaining videos. Keep your videos short and simple. YouTube Shorts are meant for short videos, so make sure your video doesn't 60 seconds. Use bright visuals to grab your audience attentions and keep them engaged. Add captions to make your videos more accessible and attract a wider audience. Be creative and think outside the box. Use your imagination to create unique and entertaining videos that will keep your audience engaged. And start using ChatGPT. It will give you the ability to create quality scripts for your videos. With it you can actually create 100 scripts every day. On my channel I had a video that showed you how to do this visually and in detail. Additionally, if you're looking to create even more videos in less time, you might want to consider your content. For example, you could take a longer video you have already created and break it up into shorter clips that you can then edit and add captions to using Lumen 5 and InVideo. This is a great way to get more mileage out of your content and create a variety of videos with minimal effort. Another tip is to batch your video creation process. This means setting aside a chunk of time but create multiple videos at once. By doing this you can get in the zone and work more efficiently, ultimately saving you time in the long run. That's it for today's videos on how to create 50 short YouTube videos in 24 hours using AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you will give Lumen 5 and InVideo a try. Remember, using AI can greatly speed up your videos creation process, but it is important to remember that good content is still key. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for free trials to these amazing services. And if you want to take your video creation game to next level, be sure to check out ChatGPT for quality script creations. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Good luck!